From the next road trip, greetings! Discover the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome, a mobile masterpiece that redefines luxury and adventure in a unique behind-the-scenes glimpse. With an aerodynamic design that blends powerful, modern aesthetics with classic Chevy elements, Chevrolet's most current motorhome is a brilliant example of their long-standing commitment to innovation and durability. Under its sleek exterior lies a powerful V8 engine, maybe a gasoline-powered V8 with 401 horsepower, 299 kilowatts, and 629 Newton-meters, 464 lb-ft, or a 6.6L Duramax Turbo-Diesel V8 with 470 horsepower, 350 kilowatts, and 1,322 Newton-meters, 975 lb-ft of torque. Whether you're driving down the highway or up the mountains, these engines with a fast 10-speed automatic transmission give you the efficiency and power to tackle any road trip. Upon entering, you are greeted by a modern, ergonomic dashboard that optimizes comfort and control. A large, maybe 13.4-inch touchscreen infotainment display with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, an excellent sound system, and simple navigation are the key selling elements. All of the crucial driving data is shown on a completely digital instrument cluster behind it. From upholstery to trim, every component has a luxurious appearance when traveling thanks to higher quality materials and easily accessible tactile controls. The 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome's interior is designed to be a spacious, multifunctional living space. The open-plan design allows the living room, kitchen, and bedroom to flow together smoothly. High-end materials like leather seats, hardwood floors, and elegant metal or carbon fiber accents adorn every nook and corner. A motorized slide-out function expands the living area when parked, giving you unexpected space. Huge panoramic windows offer stunning views in all directions, and ambient LED lighting that can be adjusted creates the perfect mood at all times. After a long day of travel, the master bedroom offers a tranquil retreat. Its comfortable queen or king-size bed and plush mattress provide a restful night's sleep. A big closet with sliding or folding doors offers plenty of storage space, and bedside tables may include USB charging ports and Wi-Fi. Your free time is improved with a personal entertainment system with a comfortable reading light and a flat-screen TV. The bathroom of this 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome was designed to be both stylish and functional. There is a full-size shower with a rainforest showerhead and enough water pressure, and a glass door makes moving around simple. A ceramic toilet with a powerful flush system, a large mirror with integrated lighting, and an elegant sink with a high-end faucet are examples of luxurious amenities. Moisture-resistant, easily cleaned materials, and innovative cabinet storage ensure practicality without sacrificing elegance. Get ready to prepare delectable meals in this thoughtfully designed kitchen. Its high-end stainless steel features include a refrigerator and freezer the size of a house, a microwave and convection oven, a big double sink, and a multi-burner gas or induction cooktop. Sturdy, solid surface countertops are not only functional but also give a touch of flair. The soft-close bottom drawers and generous storage space in the upper cabinets keep all of your kitchenware neat and organized. When driving a 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome, it's more vital to enjoy the journey than to reach where you're going. This mobile home is designed to embark on as many adventures as possible. Are you ready to go on your next journey?